So when we go through the DC to DC controller, we land on the DC bus, and then it's going to go out to charge the batteries through these two 50 amp fuses. We're going to drill a hole right here, get an electric compartment, come down through here, run out that side, and then into that over there. And then we'll come out down there. I think this is a great DIY project. Doing the work yourself gives you control over the quality of the materials and the labor. Every lug, every connection, every decision about what touches what is yours. And the knowledge you gain is priceless, because all systems inevitably fail. I guess pull up enough so that I can work with it, and then I can cut it to length. You know, I'm going to mount the box on the side of this wall, so I only need a couple of inches. But give me enough so that I can, you know, cut into the cable and work with it. All right, how about some more? Take some more. Connections matter. Ring terminals, hydraulically crimped, heat shrink, and tight. Many people ground to the chassis, and that works until you're trying to figure out why it doesn't. I elected to go with a dedicated return. I used 2-gauge wire on the truck, 4-gauge wire on the trailer. I'm thinking lower resistance, less voltage drop, fewer variables, all worth serious consideration. The Victron DC-to-DC controller is very simple to set up. Connect the controller's output to your battery bank, power it up, download the Victron app, and pair via Bluetooth. Set the battery profile in the charge settings, and then mate the Anderson connector. And the app can be used to monitor the system in real time. Pretty straightforward stuff.
Right, so is it all done?
All done, just wrapping it up.
Sweet, let's check it off the list. All right, still got some other things on there. All right. So is he a pro at parallel parking?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yep.
Where's the back?
Making some drawers to go underneath beds.
Sweet.
Every time the kids pull out those plastic bins, they hit the hinges and then the door pops off and it's a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna make some pull-out drawers. Gonna attempt to anyway, we'll see.
Oh, you got it. Sure.
There's lots of companies that you can buy like the custom drawer boxes from. And I looked at that, that would have been nice. But it's $156 per drawer. And that's without the slides. So you're talking, and the slides are like 30 bucks. It would have been $700-800. So we're gonna give it a go.
Yeah.
We're gonna see if we can do this.
I'm all about saving some money, that's for sure.
Yeah, me too. So we'll see. I already messed up once, but